Okay.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Nolan! No! I want a kiss!
Is that good, Jay?
Did you get it?
Is that good?
Say cheese.
Cheese.
So, like, I would have to have a fast which this for this.
Caroline.
Subscribe my channel for more updates.